taking a picture?
Bad bird. Video.
Bad bird.
You want a picture? Picture?
It's calling one a cracker.
You want a cracker?
Hello. Hello, Marvin. 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 Bad bird. I'm such a bad bird. Bad. Hello, Marvin.
Yo, that's
You want to cry like a baby? You want to cry like a
the
baby?
baby, the baby
Okay,
stuff.
well, you have to do the noise. Oh, why are you crying, Marvin? Why is the female and his name is Marvin?
Yeah.
Because we once thought it was a male, but it's really a female.
Okay.
It's like, I think she laid an egg or something, but she was a male before.
Say hello, Michael. Michael.
Michael.
Hello.
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 How are you?
Hello.
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 Shalom. Shalom.
Hola. Hola.
Hola. Yo.
Hola. 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 Hola.
You are so cute. Cute.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, this is so hilarious.
You're not tired?
Is it time for bed?
Is it time for bed?
Say Didi.
Hola.
Hola.
Marvin want a cracker. Holly want a cracker? Holly wants a
Sorry.
cracker.
Yeah.
Time for bed?
Say.
Yeah.
God bless America.
America.
Yay! Marvin. Good job, Marvin. God bless America. I think he knows he's on film. I think
Oh, yeah?
so. Yeah, because he's saying everything like repeating us. You know? Yeah, he must know. Like, because he said God bless America exactly like he's supposed to.
Yeah.
You are a bad boy. Are you a bad boy?
Sure.
Are you a bad boy? No. God bless America.
Yo.
Oh,
Is the kitten allowed to be
she
here?
just, she just imitated the cat.
She.
Hi. Cracker? We have this stuff struggling. Marvin! Wow, he's like a roll now. She, he, so he's Miami Heat. Oh, here comes the scratch.
He sounds like the animal in Jurassic Park.
Yes, like these stars are Rex.
The ones that like are deadly, they're small but they're deadly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No,
Hi, pretty bird.
The ones that open doors with their paws, their
Yeah.
claws.
Marvin!
So how are you gonna talk to Marvin now? With technician? Should I send Marvin a picture of Marvin?
Bless America. I think he's getting confused. What? What? Huh? That sure is good. Marvin! That sure is good.
Does he know how to say hee-haw?
Hee-haw! Hee-haw! Hee-haw, Marvin!
Hee-haw!
You like all this attention, don't you, Marvin? What? Are you videoing me?
No.
Yo, so cute. So you talk to
You're on television.
No,
Television.
No, you can't talk. What about the cocktail one? They're quiet. They're cute though. This one likes.
Say something. Say something.
Come here. Only, I don't
Something.
know what he's doing now.
Just say something.
But he comes here
Something.
and scratches his head.
Whoa.
Oh, they're fighting. He's jealous. Hey, it's a peanut. Sorry, it's a peanut. peanuts. I did it. It's my fault. No. 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 Do you want to give me peanuts? I don't know if he sees it. His beak is like a razor. Yeah. Be careful. Wait. Come here. What? I did it myself. That's my fault. I shouldn't have showed him the peanuts. Whoa!
Maybe you should put him on the bowl.
I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Well, now I can't open the bowl. Wait. No! Go back! No! Come.
Red rum.
No, I'm just gonna do it.
Red rum.
No, I'm not gonna let him.
Red rum.
Wait, Marvin! Here, Marvin! Here, Marvin! Come to your bowl!
Peanut.
Here, in the bowl! Red rum!
Peanut.
Here, Marvin, this way. Alright. Come here. That was my fault. I forgot they fight over the peanuts. Come here. Come on. Oscar. Get down. Oscar. Good.
Is that water?
Yeah, that's his bowl. You can put it in there. Okay. Come here, you big bird. Come here. Oscar, look how many peanuts are down there. Come on. Go get your peanuts. Oscar.
Yeah, peanuts. Okay, I
Look
put
at the
peanuts.
peanuts. There's 30 peanuts in there.
He's afraid.
No, he attacks him.
Marvin
Oscar,
attacks.
go eat. Yeah, they fight over the peanuts.
But they're just peanuts.
I know. Look how many peanuts there are. There's like thousands.
Yeah.
Awesome. They both got their peanuts. All is well.
But Oscar eating the peanuts?
Yeah, he's eating. And Marvin's eating.
It sounds like
peanuts.
Marvin's purring, actually.
Yeah, they're happy. They love peanuts.
Eat the peanuts, okay?
It's like a jungle at night. He's not eating them? Oscar. Come here, Oscar. Are you hurt? His feelings are hurt. He got attacked. Come here. Come here, boy. You want a big nugget?
Here.
You want a nugget? Good boy. Come here, Oscar. Stop acting like a monkey. He's like acting like a monkey.
Monkey.
Come here, monkey bird. Come here. Look what I got for you, monkey bird.
Monkey.
Woo!
Red rum.
Red rum.
Maybe like this one.
Here, let's
Red
get
rum.
the little one peanuts. No, they're okay. Come here, boy.
Come here, hola.
That was my fault. I shouldn't have shoved the peanut because Oscar comes with the peanut shape. Here, let me put the top on. I can't give him too many peanuts. Look at him go. Uh-oh. Where's he going? Uh-oh. Oscar, go back to your perch. Drama in the bird cage. Midnight drama. The cockatoos just mind their own business. Hi, everyone. I hatched this one. This one came from parents. I hatched. I hand fed it until it was big enough to.
This one?
Yeah, this
How
one.
old is it?
It's